days till Christmas. Today we are going to be trying to do something new, but I just want to check in on what we did yesterday that I was not too happy with. So we finished 2 of them, and what I did was I took out the diamonds and made a top on top of the tree. So there are 3 sets, and we just bound them together so it cascades. So these are the 2 diamond sets that we put on top. I did keep some of the butterflies, not so much as we had before because it was too much, and just 1 or 2 pine cones. I have one side here with warm lights, and then I have one side here with more white LED lights. So you can put a comment below and let us know which light section that you think looks better. The warm ones and the light ones. Most likely we'll have these transferred to the other side with the Christmas tree. Right? So I just wanted to get this out of the way from yesterday. But today we are going to make some Christmas balls using hexagon wire mesh, or what we call in Trinidad and Tobago chicken cob wire. We are basically going to create a cylinder out of this wire mesh, and then we are going to cut the cylinder in parts and form them into balls, spray it with gold spray paint, adding some glitter, probably putting 1 or 2 diamond pieces in it to make an ornament ball for a Christmas tree. So let's get to it. The first thing that you will need to do is to know how to cut. Now the idea is to fold to create a cylinder, and when we are folding, it's important to know that this twist part must fold to meet another twist part here. So that way we can mold to create our ball. We cannot fold to have a pointed part, mold to meet a pointed part here. So that's how we're going to cut our piece. So I'm going to cut 1 piece down. And what we have is 1 piece of wire mesh. I hope you can get a good view of this here. Now, as I was saying before, it's important that we fold this way to make sure the length where the wire connect, we have them connecting here, and we can twist them together. And I'm using a bit big pliers, and you can come in closer to see here. We are basically lining these twist parts onto each other, and what we're doing is just joining them together here and twisting them into each other to create a new twist. And that way we'll join all these together. So just twist this in here. And there we go. Back, I went to get my gloves to make sure that I'm not injured by the wire. Now what we created was a cylinder, and the cylindrical shape can be opened. So it's just one basic little cylinder. If you look carefully, that we just connected to make 1 long cylinder. What I'm going to do is to cut these into shorter pieces, and I'm just averaging the length probably about 8 inches. So what you're going to do, we are going to open out our cylinder. So take our time. I know the bulk of the gloves is a little problem, but safety first. Open out our cylinder, and we are going to mold this into circles, and we are simply just going to mold these in with our hands here. Top, trying to keep a round shape, and then molding the base, keep it outward. Try to go around whatever corners we have, mold those in. And there we go, our cylindrical, our hexagon wire mesh ball. Alright, let's just make 1 more and then we'll spray. So we have our gold hexagon wire mesh holes that we created. The next step that I'm going to do is to put some glitter on them. So it's gold here with spray paint, a kind of matte gold finish. But I want to put some more shine on it. So the same thing like we did with the star, I'm going to spray with adhesive, spray adhesive. The only difference is that I'll have to move it around to make sure the adhesive gets all over, and then I'm going to sprinkle